Hi, this is Kevin from WW Tactical Systems. I just wanted to kind of do a little bit of a chronology of our holster systems and where we got started and where we are today. So this current holster that you're seeing is what we're calling the Ultra Carry 2. We're calling it the Ultra Carry 2.0 because it's come quite a ways since the beginning of our holster designs. This is the very original Ultra Carry that I came up with. At the time I had my LC9, and I'll go ahead and safety check that, make sure that we're all clear there. No mag. I had a laser on that LC9, and I had mocked up this first holster around that frame, and I thought it was really cool. You know, I thought it covered in some goat hide and really doll it up, a fancy clip from Tandy Leather and such. And things have changed. We've moved into the 2.0, which is a very sleek, easy to carry holster, very thin. Doesn't add hardly anything to the width of that firearm. Carries real nice, very well balanced. We like it quite a bit. So that's the Ultra Carry and how that evolved from the beginning to what we're working at today. So if you're one of our old customers and this is what you're looking at, time for an upgrade. Molded strut, pull the dot on the loops. So things have been upgraded quite a bit on those. Another thing that we got started early on is the classic pancake holster, and I remember being very happy with this holster and how it turned out. I was going ahead and bending my own loops at the time, which we've gotten away from thanks to Philster. He really made that pretty evident that we needed to upgrade on that. It's kind of tough to spend the extra money on the injection molded clips and struts and the nice hardware, but it really does make such a big difference. But anyway, I do remember being very happy with this holster. I love that click. I remember wearing this quite a bit and being very excited about that. Classic pancake holster has upgraded a little bit. This is what we're calling the high rise, and we call it the high rise because it does sit quite a bit up on the waist. I've got some pictures and video of that on the site. What I really like is the difference between putting all of this retention building right in on the front part of the trigger guard to actually blocking out the trigger guard. I don't know if you can tell here, but I've blocked that trigger guard to control the retention, and just putting select retention in places that are going to make quite a bit of the difference. So that's the high rise pancake holster with 1 3/4 injection molded loops on that as well. So come a long way on the pancake holster as well. The next holster I want to show you guys is one that really hasn't changed much, and I've actually found some people on the internet that have kind of I'm not going to say they copied my holster design, but I know the specific reason that I made this holster design was because no one has had anything like this on the market at the time. It's a Kydex shell. It is covered in the goat hide for a little extra to put it over the top, I guess. 8-9 ounce leather on the back, and what I was wanting to do is make a holster that mimicked a hybrid holster, but didn't have all the extra material to it. So yeah, so we went ahead and made this leatherback holster to meet those needs. So that had a big part in the evolution as well. Haven't changed that one too much. Again, you upgrade the hardware a little bit, but for the most part, that holster stayed the same. The last holster that I have here is a holster that I really kind of saw as the flagship. This was the direction. This was the very unique design. We call it the inversion holster. And it's a reverse taco, reverse fold over holster. Instead of folding over the top like in the Ultra Carry, it folds over from the bottom of the trigger guard, and then that gives us some different attachments for a mag carrier to be attached to them. One of the things also, you can see that the mounting hardware, the strut, is made out of regular 080 Kydex, and a little different style clip here. That's changed quite a bit, and this is the latest inversion holster, and hopefully you can really kind of see the genesis of the whole thing. You know, you just got to get better, and you know, thanks to guys like Philster and Christian out there at Green Force. You know, these guys they do great stuff, and they really inspire you to take on new designs. So this is kind of the one that I sell quite a bit of. These people really like the idea of being able to have that mag ride together. It's a great appendix rig. Again, it's got all the pull to dot, and I upgrade the struts usually on these as well. But that's a pretty nice little rig right there. It runs nice. You can take the mag carrier off. It's also got this knife clip. You can run that just in your pants pocket, just like a knife. It's a flush mount mag carrier, so real happy with it. But you know, this is as I move out the old and move in the new, this is kind of the direction that WW Tactical has gone. Really excited with the product line. I'd like to see quite a few more sales in the future, and hopefully these are the three, along with the pocket holster. I forgot to pull that out. This is one for a car, CW9. But you know, the little pocket holster that is really nice. You can run that in a bag or in your pocket or whatever. It hangs up on this as you go ahead and draw that out. Similar design to some I've seen in leather, but making that out of all Kydex. So this is the line. This is where we're going, and hopefully we can create some excitement about them.